Hello everyone, and to this video we're going to discuss about this array loops. So in this video we're going to discuss about looping and to loop the we call this the array. So you can loop through the array elements with the for loop. So in this example, we use for loop to access the elements inside this array. So and we use length property. This is the length property to specify how many times the loop should run. So it means that for that approach that length, so ibig sabihin, it means that the value of or the length of this array. So in this example, we have this array of fruits: the apple, orange, grapes, and mango. So in our for loop, we have this initialization and our condition, and then the implementation, and then inside of that we have this block of code to print the value of this array using the index to access or to get that value in the inside the array. So we are going to try this. So we are going to run this file. So it means that the first element we have this apple, second orange, then grapes, and mango. So that is how to we call this to run or to access the fruits elements using for loop. We have this second loop. We call this for each. This is the syntax or the syntax or the code for the for each loop. So we have this data type, and then the initialization or the instantiation of the index, and then we have this semicolon, colon, and then the fruits or the variable of the array. So to access to that, we have this statement to print the index of all the fruits. So we are going to try this, run the file, and we have the same output of this for loop and for each. So this is very easy. So I hope you learn a lot of this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to click the notification bell, and see you on the next video, guys.